Baba can see me about Adom TV, so Adom TV, so between Jimmy so there we can see on some pine sacken and open switch up within the Enoch. Kwesi Walanyo Wallace, a good catch back up. The only nomenclature the professor's degree in sports, the Al-Regina Wallace, the nation's presenter, and the messing Kunyana Mekono Quantum Cordon Small and Sack and other pens to be our kind of good 8 me jow. Shanusmam said you may cone me and sa. Woman albums can get men and pay them common 18 bar. One expert have always told you that betting there is better than Sakawa. And he said we tried before, we didn't before. And that's my which is a bet with money that you can afford to lose. Yano, and no any deep bet. No way, no, that's a one expert catch up with your phone for 4 year old mouth for none. So none of that boys Timmy Brunya, SID New Year come at Ghana Mati, and one expert and a month for Egusu ADD. Samson Jeffers Mr. Dritashi, Oko her bar shops in pharmaceutical shops in the month, Sabitia can Jeffers, a doy, a boy Juma set it, infections netted to gonorrhea, syphilis, candidiasis, white feet and asudipua, a property, a bomb, pomodon semso, 8 me agent pinting or a team. Sedimo gel and roll-on, your ultimate pain relieving gel, full of pampas where pumonas in the doy, a 2-hour city fuel, more than Dakwa Shama, me marketer. So your phone hold your still when you do be at our talk with Temaswa and also on Sabitia Cabinapwa, Emaniama Etian Kuye Ediamao, Ubetia from 020-821-9129. Now on a Sedimo gel and roll-on from paying for Yenju Chunkumo, Yenshemwa, Emaniama 822 in Famao. Madama, woman that touched the woman and open Sweden come out and Sakano, or would you so 8 Vijal. A journey of 1,000 kilometers begins with the first step. And Chelsea and UEFA Champions League. And now matches need to make to top FMC Bem Nani Piemono, Manchester City for Chilebzek for it from 7-0. UEFA Champions League matches next at was one interrupted and Shanusmam say as 94.7 FM Adom 106.3 FM or Tribunal. The best sense in Kunya at the live commentary and Sabrio, a Real Madrid. Woman Liverpool, maybe she's a canaf Napoli beton said a fair Frankfurt. Now also the markings in the 10 times. So M5 UEFA Champions League in Sion Fientum, our Ghana and Comum dia Nese, Oba Ghana, rugby administrators now be any average and names in Yadoma, a Kunyabia Beto, or rugby international front, or National Municipal and City dia, not Menoka said, Herbert, a Quadu Amponsa, Mensa, former Kodoko chairman, and they were no and a air names in Yadoma, who standing the president at the Ama Ayumedia Casibiti and Sabaso World Rugby African Association, Mujumedia, also Egusu Edino. Now, Rugby Africa, almost resting and Yama is your course, the Padona, a African GD passe, Ura Herbert, Kujon Ponsa Mensa, Bitia Shabwa, Emma Sanchez, Etian Sanquin, to motion, you say, one better no Saba, now or the Como Etian Santuja, Edia Fasena Sanchez, ABC Acom.
Sport is big business. It's no use being what we have been over the last decades of coming in and then expecting that somebody will assist us, because there are inequalities. We do understand that World Rugby, we're not a priority for them. So now we need to raise our bar so we can go back to World Rugby and say, look, you give us about $2 million a year or there and thereabouts. Yet somebody from Rugby Europe can get 5 million quid a year just for one country. We have 2 votes at the World Cup at AGM for choosing the next president of World Rugby. England has 3 alone, France has 3 alone, and so on and so forth. So look, we're not getting up there and saying, give us 39 votes or 34 votes, the number of countries that are registered playing rugby within Africa. But we need to get greater equity. So you now need to monetize it. We now need to bring people on board who are commercially linked and commercially minded. We need to put programs on board. We need to get back to governments. We need to get back to global structures that will help us with training, kit supply, balls, sponsorship, to have leagues, competitions, put it into a chronology and say, how do we roll out where we're going, working with the great team from World Rugby, because they're extraordinary people there, and let them understand that, look, work with us in this area and that area. We will work with you in this area and that area. And look, by 2024, 2025.
Into aspiring president of the World Rugby African Association, Herbert Kojuan Ponsa, former Kumasi Sanduko chairman, and now tenant council, then the team put to just Sanchez Queen, 18 Basso, Cape Town, as with Medium Queen on the 18th of March 2023 of GD Pass Ebitian Sabwa Africa Rugby Association, Yama Ebitian Kuye Ediamom. If you offer any ancient craft from there, Minister for Youth and Sports, Honorable Yusuf Mustafa, so then Kumoka Cretin Aba, and Sember Henny at Tonsadia Fair Blast Stars players of Heno, Nesaboga for my woman Buchin Kwani at Tonsadia from Sanchi Intino, and they ombe concentrating more. Our academies are all or Ghana Hanasebea, on betting your talent, Toma Bennett, no music interview, betting your concotin at the Amagana.
Going around doing scouting of players, and they use some of these facilities to scout young players to feed into the academies. so that they will be able to develop them for our national team and also to develop them for the individual to develop their career.
For sure.
We have seen the benefit of it because as we speak here, we have young footballers who have passed through these academies and today they are in our national team and they are doing so well. We can mention Kamal Din Sulemana, who went through Right to Dream Football Academy to Northern, to France, and now in England. Mohamed Kudus went through Right to Dream Football Academies. Northern now with Ayas. We have a good number of them. Nuama, who has just been called today, I just reading, he has been called to the under 23, national team. He plays in Northern through Right to Dream. A lot of talent, and we want to collaborate with La Liga
for sure
to make an impact in the.
Enti now President Mexico so minister and na able uncountable number of players are more for academy system nim ekopie mu abochire again we coaches cry eku use o national teams no konia ba o ma ya de ka papa no o so if academy side nti ye to side from some major national team a o mu ni ba bia option bi ni ho agi so mo players no use o academies na o ma na san to side from so mesi akan emfama national teams nti nkomo no ebetia san to so but san hihye mu no ana ye san ko African Games 2023 ana ka set me ba so batene empanyfo chese body ebre kokwa na dian sesa ye pia e de ko 2024 na me Adom South African Games Ghana ana ye JCS so na efi emeresante be se fi makoma ko be se num eni Ghana kwaje African Games di sinise no entimi ma so da na afi de chese betia to so mayi na aboa e ma sa dwede ne etia ba so Deputy Minister for Youth and Sports Honorable Evans Opoku Bobie e de nkomo ha kretia sa ba sa ban ehwe nim se kwa bia so betia to niama na aboa ma 2024 de nyame Adom enkopem on the 18th of March na empemfo aka ntamadi nsie tu pia fajan se betia ba so no edia ebeba so
no wa wada roma mohun se adwuma na kwa ni mapeja echen ba bia na wo no nti wo hwe ba bia ya duri ene disika o man no de akwa akohim se free legon na ebe wa hu sports stadium VVIP ho adwuma o mo ye ene ba bia o man ni sika na akwa akohim no ebe edin se me megina ha na makase obi ayenya na Ghana ni bi abeka se yenya because the chama kan no ye bre ni emoje ne yere ho na ewia o man benya mfasodie bebira ekakora ye betimi ate because games no so akobi da chama kan marketing ne ade me call Commonwealth na se me ne ranking chama nso ko obi so wo hwe catering services nkwa o mu provide ne ayi a eno so discover UK pa nti be mpeso aye duru ne de twa ne twa so obi aye adwuma duru 60%. O hwe ne Legon Games Village baby o mbeda Maus oye ne presentation no say oye adwuma ne bi duru 66%. Na obi aye adwuma duru 60% aye school kura ne ko ye pass mark ya senko aburo average nti wujaya na 60% ni nyina sa ya o man na aye de aboka nti me fa akonwa yi so na masre o man do hwe sikasem so ene mpanyufo a omonso eka bia aye yi se adwuma no aye fe baby aduru no ye wie na ye host games no so the chama kan di dikan kura Ghana ye host bi ni over 54 countries Africa so obi aso oba ene beba look at the traffic ndi mesre say ye den krata ni bibia ba se episikade ama contractors na yenkeka ye hontem na intimi nwie na ye host games no e ma na nye fefefe.
The Deputy Minister for Youth and Sports Honorable Evans Opoku Bobie and outending cancer was Ghana finance say omo krata ba na is kasema yeje e de akwa 2023 African Games no ehun adwuma omo is canin tempa so say bebetia samboa na ne eba no antimi enkoba se be ya bibia betia koyi e de amasa games isanse 2023 African Games no aka kwantu mache best pen for say ene ministers ne de omo agim ne de omohwe mu amaniama entinko mu jade ma local organizing committee nko ade a ombeko so abeto na sesem sa bidu besi ya na madawase na mama omo ene hwe chane so ma se 1xbet wo mo ane techri bo amedi dwumadi tense jawo ka 1xbet dia bet twa ne before din befu nti abusuan de japade bi siska ukọ agyaw asase bi na da ba bi ka bi anya hwe abetia koton fani na kogu so wo de keto akwaje kesere no 1xbet na mum bet with money that you can afford to lose ka yire anya ya no eno ana beti de twa bet afi odi bet ne so a withdraw 90% of winnings na na beti aboa na wan enjeje wa e ma fani aka no so enkoka ho ti 1xbet man from hunyim je fast mixture do tetahwi enso ebo adwuma pa modern da so sabeti aka je fast infections do gonorrhea syphilis candidiasis odi pu na achi won setimi kebia ebeti aboa koya ba shops pharmaceutical shops ni na won sabeti aka bi na fi sedimo gel and roll on ultimate pain relieving gel saje na product won setimi kebia ya odie one ne beton kwanta pa yo kwa shaman me marketer ebi wo na fitema nso nyena obeti from 0208219121 na afi oni penfo etia twenko 0208986731 na afi oni etia hwetwenko ya hwaboa emaniama etia to yede ma madama wo me tech bo me na no penso de nkoma wodo ensa kama wo kensim de tmejao medin the prof yiki wala sagudi catch back open am of course evidence based sports presentation tmejao erade entene ni ma onyo kese infi be da so ni emfa nko be ni da so yes so the sister Sandy be a guy in terms of entertainment there still in the Ghana month mami ebe bo ntwitwa so a je se e dia pam gown pa ultimate sampa ne ha be de maybe sama no file di ono so na celebrating na nti bia wo bia no ka kire busuafo ne namfo so metra TV na chi sansa afi kura na agro na ebe cha se Adom TV so the act of being a good guest is to now to say goodbye.